Okay, so what we're going to take a look at now is adding some React developer tools to our browser so that in Chrome we can inspect our React components from our browser and see what's going on. And if I click on Inspect and get to my Chrome developer tools, then all I can really do at the moment is just take a look at the elements. I've got access to the console, and we do get a tip inside here to install the React Dev Tools for a better development experience. And if I click on this particular link, then this takes us to a page which will tell us how to install these dev tools. And we can go and get these from the Chrome Web Store and add these into our browser. Now these tools are brilliant, but there is a downside to using these at the moment, and that's the lack of support for React hooks. And we're going to be using React hooks extensively on our particular project. And using the current version of these React developer tools is not going to give us much in the way of useful information. So, because this is a training course, let's go ahead and install a beta version of the next generation of React developer tools. And if I just type in React Dev Tools Beta into Google, then this will take us to the experimental version of the React Dev Tools. And like I say, this is experimental. So notice the support here, as this extension is in a beta period, it's not officially supported, etc., etc. So what I'm saying is that this is beta, they may not work perfectly, they may crash every now and again, and you may need to restart your browser. And once these come out of experimental and come to release version, then obviously you can just go ahead and install the normal React Dev Tools directly into your browser. So what we can do is we can go and take a look at the installation instructions for this, and I prefer to use Chrome for development. Firefox is also an option, and you're perfectly welcome to use that, but all of the demos I'm going to use are going to be done using Chrome. I do find this my preferred tool for testing and development of building a React application. So what we need to do first is to download the extension, and then I'll just show this in Finder, and because it's a zip we need to extract this. And then we need to navigate to Chrome //extensions, so I'll just do this in a new tab. And then we need to enable developer modes, which I already have enabled. So then I just need to click Load Unpacked and then select the extracted extension folder, React Dev Tools. So I'll just click Load Unpacked, and then inside my Downloads folder just select React Dev Tools and then click Select, and then this appears inside my extensions for Chrome. So now that we have these available, what we should be able to do is go back to our React application, and if I just refresh the page and go and re-inspect my page and open the Chrome developer tools, then what I'll see is a couple of new tabs inside my Chrome Dev Tools, and one of them is Components, and we can see our app component here and the props that are available inside our app component. And at the moment there's absolutely nothing to see because we haven't done anything with our React application just yet. There's also a Profiler tab here, and we can record our React application so we can get an idea about performance and any bottlenecks inside our React application. But for this particular course we'll be focusing on what's going on inside our components. So now we have our developer tools, we're going to go back and start building our React application and working on bringing back data from our API.